Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today we're talking about iOS 18.2 and a possible release date for this software release. Now, as we know, iOS 18.2 has been confirmed that it will actually be released in December, coming up of course with new features and changes, some amazing new Apple Intelligence features and all that. And overall, during these first few weeks that we have been testing this software on the beta stages, it's actually incredible. Performance is there, battery life is good, and of course all the cool new features. But when can we expect this to be released to the public? Now, we're currently on the second beta, and I would expect Apple to actually release a third beta as soon as today. It should happen either today or maybe tomorrow, and I would actually expect I would expect this update to be released somewhere right here in the mid of December, but according to Mark Gurman, who is our very trusted source when it comes to Apple related stuff, new releases, whether that be software or hardware, actually iOS 18.2 will actually be released much earlier this year. So here we have a tweet from Mark Gurman. According to him, iOS 18.2, which includes major improvements to Apple Intelligence, is likely to arrive on the week of December 2nd. Now, of course, this will be a Monday. December 2nd, that week will be a Monday, and usually Apple does that. They usually will release a new software release on a Monday, so I would expect actually iOS 18.2 to be released that exact date. So right here, December the 2nd. It might even be the 3rd, but most likely it will be the 2nd, of course. Taking a look at the history of the last few updates that Apple has released, they're always releasing on Monday. So as we're currently right here sitting on beta 2 with most likely a beta 3 coming out today, you can expect the next week then to see beta 4, and then the RC version should be right here, November 25th, and then you can expect Apple to release the final public release of iOS 18.2 on December 2nd, always of course according to Mark Gurman. So that's basically it for this video, guys. This was a quick one just to let you know regarding the release date of iOS 18.2. So if you're waiting for this update and you're wanting to install it on your device, then you should actually wait for December 2nd. That should reveal the date where you get the all cool new features on your iOS 18 device. Unfortunately, for people with older devices, you won't be getting the Apple Intelligence features, but there's a lot more to this update to be excited for, and of course you will have a ton of other new features on your device as well. So that's basically it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you found this video informative and helpful, make sure to smash that like button. Of course, subscribe for more iOS 18 videos, iOS 18.2 updates and all that, and I will see you on the next one.